In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide filters in Notion. We'll walk through it step by step so you can quickly tidy up your views and keep your workspace focused on what matters. First, open the Notion website in your browser and sign in. You can do this in the desktop app as well, if that's what you prefer. The steps are the same. Once you're in, navigate to the page where you want to work. Remember, filters live inside database views like tables, boards, lists, calendars, and galleries. If you're on a simple text page without a database, you won't see filter controls. With your page open, look at the database view you want to adjust. At the top right of the view, click the menu for that view. This is often labeled Settings or shown as 3 dots. This opens the View Options panel, which is where you control things like layout, sorting, and, importantly, filters. Next, click Filter. This reveals the current filter setup for that view. If you've got filters applied, you'll see the rules listed here. To effectively hide filters so they stop affecting what you see, click into each filter rule and turn it off or clear its condition. You can work through them one by one, clicking each of them until no rules remain. When there are no active rules, the view is unfiltered and everything that matches the database will show. If you just want to collapse the filter controls visually, click Filter again to close the panel. That keeps the rules in place but gets the controls out of your way. If you ever need a filter again, open the same menu, choose Filter, and add a filter. You can pick a property, set a condition, and define the value. Keep in mind that the more specific your filters, the narrower your results. When you're finished, close the panel to keep your workspace clean. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure you're editing the correct view if your database has multiple tabs at the top. Each view has its own filter settings. If something still looks hidden after you've cleared filters, check the sort settings in the same menu, since sorting doesn't hide items but can make them appear out of order. And if you collaborate with others, remember that changing filters affects everyone using that view, so adjust with that in mind. That's it. Open Notion, go to your page, open the view settings, click Filter, and click through each rule to turn it off or clear it. Simple, quick, and your view is uncluttered.